This is my trip to Kelang Rock.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts.
We arrived there by 2 p.m. and we start by climbing the stairs.
This is the wings of the butterfly, beautiful butterfly. Look. Beautiful butterfly. I think the butterfly is dead now. So this is my first time coming to this Kelang Rock. So we are arriving the Kelang Rock now, and और यहाँ तो बहुत खूबसूरत है. ये पत्थर बहुत बड़ा पत्थर है. ये पत्थर पहाड़ों के एक ही है. Karena ada simpening tong keba ngonon yuk kita akan nega jaka berdeka ulum kelang baru kiawan hasil jaka bat kan deka simpening tong jengah bat ngampat poi silu stesa kelejung ulum tang ba sespang ini lah poi ini ba ya lapin teknisia pelok jengah gila ya poi bunsin hi Lepor aisil arsenesin ngata tang ta first time. Oh.
I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this.
Top of the Kelang Rock. We will definitely go there. Beautiful, right? Yes.
Yes, man. Yes, sir.
And the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman.
After a very long time, I was able to enjoy myself.
But I'm not the kind of person
Since it was my first time, so I had a lot of fun out there.
I'm not looking for somebody.
The rock surface is so rough that you can even do this Spider-Man crawl.
Just something I can turn to, somebody I can.
Parang tu hati orang.
Kita beli nak.
Oh, I want something just like
At the top of this rock, it's quite windy, but it was great, especially when you stand still and spread your hands and close your eyes. You will feel like flying. Beautiful rock. Had such a wonderful view from this rock peak. This is one of God's masterpieces.
Dapat tengah kami koyong me.
I want something just like this. I want
stairs were beautifully made, and it was very comfortable walking on.
Where'd you wanna go?